is walking down the hall. Is it a man or a woman? Why are they walking like that with a slightly irregular tread? What hallway are they walking through? Is it an official government hallway, or is it a school hallway? What kind of corridor might it be? Think about describing the sound of that footstep and the effect it might be having on someone listening to it. Possibly they might be listening, waiting, full of hope for that footstep to come to them and open a door. Possibly they might be waiting in dread. Thinking about sounds can really help you write a better story. Even something small like describing the nature of a footstep can conjure a whole world for you. So it's worth thinking about writing a story that describes sounds like this. I want you to brainstorm some ideas. Write at least 5 sentences that describe someone listening to some footsteps. Think about why this person might be listening to footsteps.